Now I need to ask, are you a glass half empty or a glass half full type of a person? Because we potentially have one of the craziest opportunities in the cryptocurrency space playing out right now, but it could also be one of the biggest problems that we've ever had in the cryptocurrency space playing out right now, which is why you need to determine whether or not you're a glass half full, a glass half empty, an opportunist, or this is a problem for us. And I'm talking about Grayscale, I'm talking about Bitcoins, and I'm talking about this trust me bro mentality when tens of billions of dollars are at stake here. Now, we're going to be diving into this a little bit more, but guys, this entire cryptocurrency scandal, fallout, crash, whatever you want to call it, is playing out in potentially much larger terms than any of us have anticipated so far, and we're going to jump into it. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and $1 crypto trade gets $5 in free crypto. And we're going to talk about Grayscale. You can buy Grayscale on ETF or on this ETF on Webull, so make sure to check it out if you guys do want to buy it there. Could be it could be the largest arbitrage opportunity we have seen in a very, very, very long time. Now, if you are interested in a cryptocurrency exclusive exchange, you get KuCoin and Binance down in the description, and each of those have rewards for the more active traders. So the more you trade, the more you're going to earn, and they allow you to trade Bitcoin and all other cryptocurrencies that are available on leverage if you would like. Now, you're going to need to keep this in mind, okay? We are at a crossroads in the cryptocurrency space right now. We are at a fork. We are either going to go down this path that is going to lead to much lower prices, leading to regulation, potentially leading to the DeFi space being outlawed, potentially leading to catastrophe. Or we can go down this path right here. We can take advantage of the chaos. We can perhaps make money on the way down. We can set ourselves up during this bear market to be multi-millionaires, if not, if you guys are crazy enough, billionaires when this thing is over. Now, billion's a lot of money, right? You got to put a lot of money in to make a lot of money. So that's why I say if you're crazy enough, don't expect to invest $1 and end with $1 billion. Not going to happen there unless the United States crumbles. However, we're going to be talking about Grayscale in this video. If you guys have not seen all of the nonsense going on with Grayscale lately, who are they? They're basically an ETF, an exchange-traded fund, and this Grayscale Bitcoin Trust is the largest single holder of Bitcoin. Over $10 billion worth of Bitcoin being held by GBTC, or the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, okay? I want to put quotes around being held by Grayscale. Why? Because there's a lot of people expressing concern with all of these cryptocurrency exchanges crumbling right now. FTX going down, Voyager going down, Celsius, Genesis. You've got everything relying on whether or not these cryptocurrency exchanges and potentially Grayscale, this ETF, whether or not they are actually holding the cryptocurrency. Now, this is where it gets interesting, right? Grayscale claims to have, I'm going to give you the exact number here, okay? They claim to have 10.5, to be exact, I said $10,527,219,823 in assets under management. That is Bitcoin, okay? They claim to be holding over $10.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. I believe, and I don't know the exact number there, but it's right around 635,000 Bitcoin that they claim to be holding. Asked for proof. Should be simple, right? The blockchain is a public ledger The blockchain shows every transaction that has ever taken place on it. The blockchain is this open source, auditable, just accountant's dream to prove that assets do and do not exist, to prove that transactions do and do not exist. Yet, Grayscale says, no. It is a security concern for us. If we were to show you the $10 billion, just trust me, bro. Just trust me, bro. I have the money. I have the $10 billion. Trust me, bro. A lot of people don't trust Grayscale. That's why there's a big problem going on in the cryptocurrency space right now. We've already seen tens of billions of dollars wiped out by FTX in the last couple of weeks and so on. So Coinbase comes out within the last 24 hours. It says, well, trust us, bro. Trust us. They don't prove that they own the Bitcoin, but they are claiming that they hold the 635,000 Bitcoin for Grayscale. How are they doing so? Just a letter. A letter. Somebody that works at Coinbase typed up a letter and says, trust us, bro. You can trust that, bro. We say we're holding it. We're not going to show you we're holding it. It's a security concern. We're not going to show you the account or the accounts that it is in, but you can trust us. We hold it. We are not lending it out. We will never lend it out. Now, this is causing a major concern for a lot of people out there, and that's why you're seeing a major dip in the price of GBTC, this exchange-traded fund, this ETF for Bitcoin. Now, it was one of the first, and perhaps the first, I believe. I remember it back in 2013 when GBTC was listed, and a lot of people were very interested in it. And I know a lot of older guys, right, were getting into GBTC because they trusted the stock market. They trusted these exchange-traded funds more than they would ever trust the blockchain. So what was happening is it did very well. It was roughly 23 cents per share back in 2013 during its inception, and it ran up in price. Recently, when Bitcoin touched the all-time highs, GBTC was trading, I believe, around $55, $56 per share. So you took it from 23 cents to over $50, and now it's spiraling out of control. This is where the opportunity comes from, okay? It is a major problem that they won't prove their holdings. It is a major problem that we don't have any screenshots, we don't have any proof, we don't have any financial auditors or forensic accountants going out there analyzing the blockchain to see if they have access to these holdings and to these Bitcoin funds. What we've got right now is a very interesting situation taking place with Grayscale. Now, I just looked the price up, so this one here, this market price as of the close on Friday was $8.33. It is already down roughly 8% today, trading in the $7 range. Grayscale, GBTC is trading in the $7 range right now, and the holdings per share are over $15.20. So what does this present? This presents potentially one of the greatest arbitrage opportunities of our time. Here's what you have to be willing to admit. You have to be willing to admit that GBTC or Grayscale does own the Bitcoin that they claim to own. And if they do, you are currently purchasing Bitcoin for roughly a 50% discount. $7 will buy you $15.20, well, $7 and odd change, depending on what it's trading at the time this video is released. $7 and some odd change will buy you $15.20 worth of Bitcoin. Roughly double your money. You immediately double your money if you expect that they are holding what they are holding. Now, why is the price difference there? People are concerned. People are scared. And any time that people are fearful, uncertain, or have doubt in their mind, that causes a sell-off. So what we've got going on with this Bitcoin trust right now is people are unsure whether or not Grayscale is actually holding that amount. Therefore, they are selling off. And it has created this arbitrage opportunity where something is trading at $7 per share, but it claims to be worth an actual value of $15 per share. Now, this doesn't mean that people will ever get it back up to the value. If they lose faith in Grayscale, if they lose faith in this ETF, it could absolutely continue to sell off, right? We would assume that the holders have claim to the Bitcoin, and if one day that Bitcoin is liquidated, those holders of the ETF should be, compensated for their holdings, right? You do have claim to that. But nonetheless, that is why we have either the potentially greatest arbitrage opportunity of modern time with a doubling of your money immediately, or we have potentially one of the biggest problems going to hit the crypto space very soon. If it is proven that Grayscale does not own these Bitcoin, if it is proven that these Bitcoin have been lost, lent, stolen, and so on, if it is proven that Grayscale, the largest holder of the Bitcoin cryptocurrency, is a trust me bro liar, we are going to see a catastrophic fallout, not just in Bitcoin, not just in crypto, but regulatory overhaul that is going to put this thing on a trajectory to wherever the regulators want to take us. I want to know what you guys think. Simple question. Are you a glass half full or are you glass half empty type of a person? Let us know down in the comments below. And of course, if this button right here is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys get ClayBro 883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance. Free Discord. Webull, if you guys want to get in on Grayscale's GBTC right here. And until the next time, hope each and every one of you have an awesome day.